Do you want to learn how to analyze data? Do you want to move your data analysis skills to the next level? Do you want to play with the data? Do you want to do the magic with the data? Then I welcome you to my new series, Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq. Here we will learn about tools and techniques to play with data and use it in a way that can fulfill our purpose and help us to achieve our goals. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth. If you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early level of your career or mid-level professional, then this channel is just for you. Now, in this is the fourth video of the series, Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq, that how to play the magic with the data, how to play the data, how to use the data in a way, how to analyze the data in a way that can be helpful to achieve your goals. Because data is the new oil, and you must learn how to analyze data, how to do the magic with the data, and you need to become the data magician. Because in order to improve your efficiency, in order to move your career to the next level, you must learn how to analyze data. You must learn how all these tools and techniques to analyze data. Because you are being considered a productive if you can give the solution to the problems at the instant they arise. If you can give the insights about the data that is coming from different sources and present it in a really good way to the boss or to anyone, to the customer, that this is the data and these are the insights, these are the peaks, these are downs, and where we are going, and where we are will be in the future, and where we were, and we are where we are now. So the present, the past, and the future, you can find each and everything about the data using the data analysis. So if you are unable to analyze the data, if you are unable to play with the data, if you are unable to do the magic with the data, then you will not be able to be productive, to be efficient, to be effective in your organization or in any work that you are doing, in any freelance work and any type of work. So you must learn, in order to improve your efficiency, productivity, and effectiveness, that you must learn how to analyze data. And so you need to follow my series, this series, Become Data Magician with Stock. I will be sharing each and every technique and tools, and we will be discussing the project based work, and we will discuss the different projects, and we will learn about different, we will create different projects and different dashboards using all those tools. And then you will be easily to learn that how you can use these tools to improve your productivity and to take insights about your goals and your progress. So today in this video, we will be talking about one of the most important tool, the fourth tool that I'm discussing with you, and that is really, really important tool that you must learn to help you analyze your data and to help you play with your data and take the insights about your data, any type of data in any numbers, any number of records. You can play it with it easily, and you can grab the insights really easily using this tool. And this tool is the slicers tools, like the word slice, like cutting into pieces. So this slicer tool will help you to cut your data into pieces, and this tool is really, really, really important tool. And I have used it in my organization, in my current job, and I'm using it multiple times. And this tool is really like a life saving for me most of the times, and it's giving me the deep insights about all my data within minutes and within seconds. So let's learn about this important tool. Like again, we have the same data that we are discussing from last three videos, and this is the fourth video that we will work with the same data. And this is really great data because it has more than 5,700 records, and you can have. So In order to use the slicer tool, you have to first create a table, and like this is the data, and we'll convert it into the table in the home in the styles, and you can format it as a table in a type of table. And my table has headers, and this is the table. Now you can click on the insert. I will also show you that how you can go with the slicers in the pivot tables also. So we'll be using slicers, and we will be also creating some beautiful dashboards using the slicers, using the VLOOKUPs, using the pivot tables, using the pivot charts. And these dashboards are really really important for you to learn about it, and to grab the insights about your data. Now, after making the table, click on the insert slicer. It will show you that on which type of uh, like fields you want to insert the slicer. You want to slice your data. You want to cut your data into pieces, but on which type of fields, based on which fields you want to cut. I want to, like, you have an orange and you want to cut into 6 pieces, into 4 pieces, into 2 pieces, uh, like the way you want. So you can click here on the I want to slice the data using the product, using the state, using the delivery, using the customer satisfaction, and using the delivery performance. So I want to slice my data using these 4 fields, and these slicers will appear. Now, these slicers are connected with each other, and when you click on any of the one, that it will affect the other. And also you can design your own slicers in a way you want, in a way you want to design it, the visual appearance of the slicer. Because when we can then this is the, like, when it is selected, it's blue color, and when it's and when we hover over it, then it's turned into yellow, and this is not a catchy one. So you can really design your really catchy slicers, really good slicers, the way you want, and it will show you that how you can design these slicers in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned to this series and to this channel. Now, after inserting the slicers, like, uh, if you want to filter, these slicers are exactly functioning the same as filters are the, like, it will exactly the same, but it will slice your data in another way, and it's really really good one as compared to filters. Like, you want to like, I want to find the record of the Alabama state, and then when you click on the Alabama state, then all the records of the Alabama state will appear, and then you can slice the data using the products, using the delivery performance, using the customer satisfaction. And I want to find that in the Alabama state, all the products delivery performance on time, what is the on time, and 5.6 records on time, and delayed is the 267. And then I want to, within the delayed, what is the customer satisfaction. I want to, how many have the high, how many have the a very high, how many okay, low, and very low. And you can on time also you can click in here, and you can remove all the filters. And you want to that how many customers have satisfaction in all the state with all the products are very low. You can also click here to for the multiple selection, multi select, and you can low, very low, and you can, so you can filter your data in the way you want. You can slice your data in the way you want using these slicers. So these slicers are really really important, and most of the times we will be using these slicers to create our really interactive dashboards in Excel, and along with the pivot tables, along with the pivot charts. So these slicers are really important, and these are really easy to learn, and but it will improve your efficiency and effectiveness and productivity by many times, and because just like using the filter function, it's not giving so much interactiveness and it's not looking so much such smart work, but using the slicers and filtering your data and slicing your data in the way you want. It's really great tool to be used in your organization, in your work, in your project. So mm, this is the fourth tool that we have learned in the series, data become data magician with Ishtiaq. And if you want to move your career to the next level, if you want to learn about the data analysis, and if you want to play with the data, become the data magician, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity that is waiting for you. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos shared on this platform, and share the video with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.